Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install and manage packages using RPM. We will have our first command rpm -qa, and this command will list the RPM packages installed in your system, but it won't list non-RPM programs such as the tar gz or tar bz2. The gzip or bzip files will not appear. Now I'll press enter. As you see here, it listed for me all of the RPM installed packages. I can have another command here, rpm -qa, and pipe it through less with grep and type the name of a package. For example, here I will type who is or j who is and press enter. It gave me the information and the package. As you see here, j who is the package's name. Here 4.019, this is the package version. E16 is the Red Hat version, and x86_64, this is the platform. Sorry, in here I mean this is EL6, not E16. And of course you can use this command to check if this package exists or not. We will have another command now. It will be rpm -qa and pipe it through sort and less, and this will list for me all of the packages in alphabetical order. I can have another command here. It will be rpm -qi and then j who is, and this will display for me the information about the package j who is, like the name, the version, the release, and the installation date, the build date, and the full name of the package. And you can type another command. It will be rpm -ql and then j who is, and this will display all of the installed files of the j who is and their paths. Okay, I have made spelling mistake. Here it displayed for me all of the installed files of j who is and their paths, as you can see here. Now let's see how to know what package a particular binary file is related to. I will go to /bin and ls to display. Say for example I would like to know this binary file over here, what package it's related to. So I will type the command rpm -qf/bin/sync. I'll add a space here, and of course this q here means query, and f is the option of the file, because here we are searching for the file, and it will display the path of it. So now I'll press enter, and it showed me that this binary file here, sync, is related to the package by this name here, core utils. We'll have another command. It will be rpm -qd j who is, and this is the name. j who is the name of the package, and this will show you the paths of the documentation files of the package j who is. Press enter. As you see, here are the packages the paths of the documentation files of the package jwhois. There's another command here, rpm minus qc, and then the name of the package. And this will display the configuration file of the package. Press enter. Here it showed you the configuration file of the package jwhois. Now there's another option by the RPM in displaying information. If you have a link of package and you want to display its information and you don't have this package installed, you need to know the information of this package before you install it. You will type this command here and then you will get the link and add it here. See, this is the link, and as you see, it displayed for you the name of the package, and here is a summary and a description about the package and some other information like the version and a lot of other useful information. Okay, now we have talked about all of the query options that you can use the RPM for. Let's see how to verify a package using the RPM. You will type RPM minus capital V and then VF and then the path and then the file, the package's name, here the gzip, and you use this command to check out if this package is corrupt or if it's working. Sorry, I mean this is the binary file of the package. It will compare the binary file with the package to check out if it's corrupt or if it's working. And as you see here, it displayed for me all of the dots here on the left, and if you see all of them are dots, this means that the package gzip is working and that it's not corrupt and it has no problems. Now let's see how to install a package using the RPM. I'll clear the page first. I will type RPM minus IVH. But first let's see where's the file. I'll type ls, and let's say I want to install this file here, the unzip file. So I'll type RPM minus IVH and then paste the name of the file and installed the package. It has installed the package. Let's check out if it's installed. I'll type RPM minus QA, then pipe it, grep quotations unzip, and it displayed for me the name of the package. This means that it's successfully installed. Now let's see how to update or upgrade a package. I will type the command rpm minus uvh, and this U stands for update. Now if you have a package and you want to update this package, you can get the link of the updated version of the package and use this command to update the package. You will type the command and then you will paste the link and press enter. As you see here, it told me that's already installed. That's because I have the latest version of the package jwhois. There is another way to update, and that's to replace the whole package, not only add an update or update the same package. You will type the command rpm minus uvh and then dash dash replace pkgs, and you will paste the link, and this, as I have said, will replace the whole package, not only update it. it will replace it with the new version. Sorry, this is not what I wanted. I will paste the link, and after you paste, you will press enter, and this will replace the whole package. Okay, now to the last part of our lesson. Let's see how to uninstall a package. I will type the command rpm -e and then the name of the package and press enter. And if you want to be sure that the package is removed, you can use the command rpm -qa and pipe it through grep and then the name of the package and press enter. As you see, it will not display anything for you, and this means that the package is successfully uninstalled. And by that we have talked about the RPM. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.